Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen Durai from Dice University. In today's video, we are going to talk about what is the definition of native advertising. It's going to be really interesting, guys. But before we proceed further, please support this channel by hitting the big red subscribe button for this channel, the like button for this video only if you liked this video at the end of the video, guys, not now, as well as the bell notification so that you don't miss any of upcoming videos and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. I'll be seeing you inside today's video, guys. Let's begin.
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, literally what we're going to talk about is we are going to give you the definition of native advertising, guys. So we have talked about native ads a lot. We have talked about how native ads works and all these kind of stuff, guys. Why you should actually use native ads, what is the type of native ads there is, and all this kind of stuff. But today we are going to talk about the definition of native advertising. First, you need to know what is the definition of native ads, guys. Native ads simply is a paid ad which should not even look like an ad. That's how we actually explain native ads. If we ask a random guy what is native ads, and I want to explain to that guy, it's a paid ads, just like Facebook ads, Google ads, and all these kind of ads. But it will not look like an ad where it will blend in with whatever platform that they are publishing at. If it's in Facebook, it should blend in with Facebook. If it's in Google, blend in with Google. If it's in feed, it should blend in feed. So that is what native ads is. So what is native advertising? Native advertising is the whole process where you gonna take your native ads and then you're gonna bring it to your audience. That is the whole process of native advertising. But not only that, first you need to create your native ads in the first place. For that, there is actually a procedure as well. So in this video we'll be going through all the procedure on how we actually do that. So simple. So the first thing what you need to do is you need to engage an affiliate network. Once you engage an affiliate network, within that particular affiliate network you have to go ahead and choose an offer, because without this offer you will not be having any conversion. Without any conversion you will not be earning any money, so there's no point of you promoting ads. But some people do promote native ads even without a conversion offers, guys. Trust me, there's like a lot of people actually want to drive in traffic to their blog, to their e-commerce store, so they actually try to do native ads even without any conversion, because they are trying to build up the traffic. So basically what we will usually do is for conversion. So you have to go to a marketplace, like for example ClickBank is the best marketplace, easiest marketplace to get access, especially if you're a beginner. So once you're here you can actually see all the sub niches. You can actually choose a particular niche, and within that niche we'll have a sub niche and we'll have a lot of offers. So this is where you actually go ahead and choose an offer. So like there's like Max Bounty, Gotcha, all these kind of affiliate networks that you can actually go ahead and grab their offers, guys. So once you have actually grabbed their offer, right, the next thing for you to actually do is step 2, which is going ahead and building your landing page. So with native advertising, right, sometimes you no need to actually build your landing page. Sometimes you have to build your landing page. It's not a compulsory process to build your landing page. But why do we actually build the landing page is that, imagine you're looking at ads. Let's say you're looking at ads, want to achieve financial freedom, blah blah blah, one picture. Then you click on the picture, suddenly they straight away bring you to Bitcoin Billionaire and ask you to register and deposit $250. You think you're going to do that deposit? You're going to think people are going to convert? No, because audience are not warmed up. And that's the main reason why we actually go ahead and build a landing page in the first place. We want to warm up the audience. We want to give them that feel, the excitement, so that they will actually go ahead and convert in that particular offer, guys. So keep in mind that there's a lot of landing page builder out there, but we are specialized in using Landerize. Why do we use Landerize? Is because Landerize is a special landing page builder created specially catering for affiliate marketers. And not only that, they are specially created for affiliate pages. How it works is very simple. Colin actually discovered this problem. This problem has been faced by a lot of affiliate marketers when they use a landing page builder like ClickFunnels, InstaPage, Leadpage, WordPress, and all this kind of stuff. What happens is that the landing page starts to load very slow. So imagine a user clicks on your ad, they go to your landing page, and your landing page starts to loads very slow. You know what happened? You think people have the patience to wait? No, they do not have it. So they will go ahead and click the exit button and get out of your page, guys. So you still pay for the clicks, but you will not get good click-through rates and not good conversion rate. Colin discovered this problem. I mean, we all have this problem, but Colin came up with a beautiful solution for this problem called Landerize, where you can actually build your landing page and straight away upload it into Amazon S3. The major reason why the landing page is slow is because it's uploaded in private server, and in Landerize it uploaded in Amazon S3 fast like lightning, guys. So if you want to use Landerize, make sure you go ahead and grab the link to Landerize in the description of this video, and that link actually offers you a free 14 days trial with Landerize, guys. So make sure when you go to Landerize, make sure you go to the getting started section first. Make sure you go ahead and set up everything with Landerize, guys, especially step 2 and step 3, is because this step is actually something which is very hard. You need to go ahead and build your AWS from scratch, and you need to go ahead and take the domain that you have already built with your AWS and connect it with your Landerize from scratch. So without these guides, you will never find these guides anywhere in the internet. I have personally did this before. I found it and I tried to do it. It's really, really hard, guys. It took me somewhere around 1 week to do it. I had to go ahead and communicate with the AWS support team and all this kind of stuff, guys. So basically, to prevent all that, just follow these steps, guys. Proper steps. 30 minutes, maximum 45 minutes, you're done with this. Only need to do it once, guys. So once you have done it once, then you can actually go ahead and choose a landing page, guys. So if you can actually, in Landrise right now, they have actually, what we say, revamped the whole thing, where you can actually create a blank landing page using a WordPress like the Elementor. If you used Elementor before, it's a regular drag and drop pool kind of thing. You can use that, or you can even hit create new landing pages, and it will lead you to the landing page templates. So you can actually see there's like 58 landing page templates right now, and Landrise is adding at least 4 brand new high converting templates every single week. So don't worry about that. Why we say high converting templates is because all these templates has been optimized and tested by Colin Dice and their team in themselves. So if you actually look at it, you can actually see all these landing page cater for different reasons. So choose whatever landing page which makes sense to you, which is related to your offer, then you build it, guys. So simple as that. So finally, once you have actually built all that, then you can actually go ahead and build your native ads. You see, this is the whole process that it is needed to you actually go ahead and build your native ad itself in the first place. So then you go to a native advertising platform, and then you go ahead and build your native ads, right? If you go to the campaign boost section, for example, in Brave content, you can actually hit create content, and then you can actually do all this. You can hit save. Let me just hit the name, for example. I'm just going to show you a sample. So once you hit all that, you're going to hit some save. Okay, whatever, guys. So we're going to select country just for the sake of it, guys. So oops, English. So you're going to hit save. So once you hit save, right, they will ask you to create an ad. See, they will ask you to create an ad here, so you can actually go ahead and create your beautiful native ad. This is where you're gonna put your click URL, your campaign URL from volume, guys. But let's just, for the sake of it, just put a normal URL. I'm just gonna show you guys. So once you do, you can actually go ahead and find a nice title and nice image to actually create your native ads. And how do you actually find those nice images and those nice titles, guys? That is why we used a spy tool called Anthrax, guys. I've actually attached the link to Anthrax in the description of this video as well. We have been using Adiplex for quite some time, but the reason why we shift into Anthrax is because Anthrax has more features than Adiplex, and it's way much more cheaper than Adiplex, guys. Like Adiplex is like $250 per month, and Anthrax is only like $60 per month. And the best part about Anthrax is that you all can actually use it, guys. It's really useful and really budgeting. So if you go to Anthrax, right, you can actually go to the affiliate network. You can actually choose, for example, first go to ad network. You can choose rave content, for example, like this. And then what happened is you can sort the rave content ads by at gravity descending, which means that which is working very well. So you can actually see this one was run in July 14, and this one was only run like for what 16 days, and they got like 8,046 conversion. You know how much is that? That's like $100,000 plus, guys. And it's an adult offer, online Facebook sluts Emily CU, this is the title. So literally depending on your offer, right, you can actually see the landing page and everything within Anthrax, guys. It's really really nice. You can see the creatives and all that. So for example, this is the title, right? Facebook sluts Emily CU. So you're just going to copy this thing, and then what you're going to do is you're going to paste it. That's it, simple as that. Brand name, guys, you're going to put the offer name, whatever the offer that you have. Let's say your offer is Pornhub or XXX, for example. So it's going to be xxx.com or something like that, you know, if you're doing adult offer. I'm just telling you guys. So stuff like that. And you know what's the best part? I don't know why we cannot load this, maybe because it's content locked. So you can actually take this creatives itself, you can actually save this creative, and you can actually upload this creative within rave content as well. So you can do a lot of stuff, you know, this not only that, you can, if you want to do your own creatives, then you can actually go, oh sorry, if you want to do your own creatives, this is where you change the photo. You can actually go ahead and grab some inspiration from all these creatives that you actually get, and then you can actually do that as well. So this is how you go ahead and build your ad, guys. And keep in mind, the most important part of a landing page of a native ads is data. And we need to collect data, because this is actually a data game. The more data you have, the more powerful you are, the more easier it is for you to actually optimize your campaign. It's much more easier for you to actually go ahead and scale your campaign and do a lot of stuff with your campaign, guys. So for collecting all this data, we do use an external tracker called Volume. So I've actually attached the link to Volume in the description of this video as well. So basically that's the whole process of native advertising, guys. That's how you go ahead and run it. So I really hope that this video was beneficial for you. I really hope you managed to learn something from this video. On top of that, I really hope that you take your action today. So all these tool, Volume, Anthrax, Landrise, everything has been everything. I've actually attached a link in the description of this video as well for you. And for Landrise, it's a special 14 days free trial link. And before I go, guys, please support this channel by hitting the big red subscribe button for this channel, the like button for this video only if you liked this video, as well as the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. I'll be seeing you in the next one, guys. So till then, ta-da, bye bye.